Neutralizing black magic and protection. When someone in the past would become a victim of black magic or would have accidental encounter with a demon or ograma, then one of these recipes of Bosnian magic would be used in order to rid that person of the disease and negative effect. When a person has often headaches and her legs and arms are weak and feeble, then the new moon is awaited. In the first Saturday after the new moon appears, one gathers a glass of water from 3 streams which are located on the eastern side of the place in which a diseased lives, and water under 3 bridges over which often a horse cart traverses. All the gathered water is placed in a vessel, and 3 seeds of incense are placed along with 3 grains of oats, 3 grains of salt, and a piece of graft which was unusable during the process of grafting a fruit tree. Tomorrow morning, on Sunday, before sunrise, one places 9 different keys and 3 spoons into the water. Then the vessel with all the items is brought to low roof which can be reached with hands, and a griddle is placed on top of it, and into the griddle a sieve. Then the water from the vessel is poured into the sieve in order for it to pour down the roof, into another vessel which is held by the person performing the ritual. The water is poured 3 times and collected in the second vessel. In the end, the diseased is brought to the place where wood is cut in the yard, and he strips down, and the person which is performing the ritual pours water on him 3 times, uttering the following words: "As the water is standing on the griddle, so too will magic stay on you." Then the diseased person will put on new clothes, and the 3 incense seeds are taken out of the water and oats and are sewn into a cloth bag along with the plant graft, which the diseased will carry with him at all times as an amulet to protect himself from black magic and demons. This ritual must be performed before sunrise, since later it will not have the desired effect.
If you find a talisman inside your house, or bones of a deceased person or knots, then you must know that someone is using black magic on you. All the things which you find you need to throw into the fire while uttering, "As these things are burning, let the magic burn as well, the spells created against my soul, body, children and assets." Then spit in the hand that was holding the items and wipe it against a wall or earth.